Hey guys, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. In this video I'm going to have a special guest who is, it's Bailey Brooke.
Hi guys.
So today we're going to be trying on best friend couple costumes and modeling them out for you guys. Definitely make sure to follow Bailey. This is her YouTube. She has a lot of cute hauls and funny story times that are a little bit risque that are coming soon to her channel. So definitely subscribe. And we also are going to do a video soon on her channel.
Okay, so first we're going to be doing Debbie and Eliza Thornberry.
All the dumb things we did when we were only little children. Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision of what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing.
Here we are in our cute little costumes. I think that this is a really cute pair.
It's definitely different. Like, I never would have thought to wear this.
I only thought to wear this because I dyed my hair blonde recently.
Yeah.
And I think of Debbie Thornberry.
Yeah, it looks exactly like her hair.
Yeah, so that's what I got this inspiration from.
Yeah, I feel like nowadays it might be hard for people to they'd probably look at us and be like, oh, who are you?
Yeah, this is meant for like 90's babies.
Yeah.
That's what this whole video is about, I feel. So if you don't know, educate yourself, guys.
Yeah. So yeah, I really like this costume. Personally, I think the glasses are a little big.
I love them.
Yeah, they're definitely cute, but they're big, like a little big on me. I love the boots, which were already mine. The shirt is really cute. I'm glad it fits. What did you do? You got an extra large?
I got extra large, yeah.
So if you guys want to do this costume yourself, it's like super simple. It's really easy to put together. Everything was on Amazon, right? So.
And all of it is linked down below. And then maybe with the red scrunchies, we would have done a little bit smaller.
Yeah, for sure. Or just like red hair ties, I think would have been perfect.
Yeah.
Which are kind of hard to find, but I'm sure you could search it. And...
They're so hard to find in like a short time.
Yeah, for sure.
And then she also has this like turtleneck, like, I don't even know what to call it. It's like a sleeveless turtleneck.
It's a sleeveless turtleneck, which makes it nice because it's really breathable, really comfy. It's actually really soft too. Well, she French braided my hair, which is super cute. So she actually has orange hair, and I decided not to do the wig because the video was kind of last minute. But yeah, and I definitely did cuter braids. Her braids stick out straight from the side. And I just did like simple French braids, So
for my costume, I have this green plaid shirt, which is an essential for the Debbie Thornberry costume. You also want to pop your collar a lot, like that's her thing. Maybe like use an iron to like make it permanent. That would be like my tip. For my hair, like as you saw in the beginning, it wasn't as voluminous, so you're gonna use this pick right here, and then you just go like this, bam. And you tease it, yeah. You just keep doing it until you're at your desired length. Definitely make sure to do a side part, cover your eye. That is paramount if you're trying to be Debbie Thornberry. Oh yeah, for lips, I did Love Bite from Kylie Cosmetics. It's a pain for me to do purple lipstick. If you apply it a bunch of times, you're gonna be good to go. Right. And then I have this orange crop top, which I got from Amazon. I have these ripped jeans that I got from Target. They're like the Wild Fable ripped jeans, but literally any ripped jeans work as long as you can still see your tummy. I think she probably has them a little bit more low ride, but I don't want to show that my skin, you know. And then for shoes, I have my Doc Martens, but honestly, like any black boots will do. You don't need to get Doc Martens for just this costume.
Yeah. I think those work perfect though. For sure, unless you're on a budget, of course.
Yeah, you can find like cheaper combat boots on Amazon. I'm gonna link them down in the description below that are like kind of like a cheaper
option.
Yeah, a cheaper option.
Second costume?
Yeah, we're gonna put on our second costume now. So our second costume is Cher and Dionne from Clueless. Let's go put it on.
Oh, I love these costumes.
Super cute. You look so cute.
Thank you. I love that phone.
Yeah. An actual cell phone from like the 90's is so expensive. It's like $60.
It's so crazy.
This is $10. You can just put your cell phone in it. For her, she's the one that uses the phone because she's like,
it's weird though because you would actually use it this way, but when it's on your phone, it's like facing outwards, so you're like, I'm talking into the back of a phone.
Yeah, I guess for pictures you have to put it that way. That looks perfect though.
These heels were ones I already had. I've never worn them before, although I will say with this costume, that you should probably get heels that have a strap around the ankle because it's super hard to walk in high heels like this with socks. They fall right off. I love the matching set. It would have been really cute with the vest, but I feel like to make it more modern without the vest, it's like perfect. And it definitely, like, I feel like it's one of those costumes people will look at and know exactly what it is. And then I just put in some old extensions, which I feel like matches her hair pretty close.
And if you want a cheap wig alternative, it's gonna be in the description below. My costume, I would definitely recommend like hers, where hers is like a nice like matching set. Mine's kind of off because I wanted to get it delivered in time. It doesn't look that bad, but
I couldn't even tell at first.
Yeah, but I definitely wish they were the same because it distracts me. And I did get the red vest for myself, but I'm gonna see how it looks like without it too. Let me see. Ooh, okay. All right, this looks a lot better. Honestly, I think I prefer it without the vest, unless, as she said, if she has the vest, then it's perfect. And unlike the Cher costume, I feel like that is so recognizable on its own.
Yeah, the yellow plaid.
Yeah.
You see it and automatically like, oh, Clueless.
Exactly. With the Dionne costume, it's definitely not like that. So only do Dionne if you're doing Cher too.
Yeah, I agree. I wouldn't. Together, I'm like, oh, those are so cute. But if I saw just you, I'd be like, schoolgirl?
Exactly. Completely agree. I actually had thigh-high socks that were black. They're linked in the bio below. They did not deliver on time, so I just have thigh-high boots.
I still think it really gives the same look. It works, for sure.
But I really wanted to, I like her look better. I feel like that's more 80s, 90s vibe than this. But that's fine. It still works.
Yeah.
And this hair is a wig that is super cheap. It's linked down in the bio below. And then for lips, I did Leave 'Em On Red from Kylie Cosmetics, and I did some gloss. I forgot which one it was, but it's linked down there. She definitely has like a red glossy thing going on in the movie. So yeah. All right, so on to the third one.
Number 3.
Yeah, number 3, which is Cosmo and Wanda.
Oh yeah. That's gonna be cute.
What is up? It's been a long time, and I've been thinking. Give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. Yeah.
So we are Cosmo and Wanda.
These are so cute.
Yeah, she looks so cute in her little green wig, like honestly.
No, I look like an Oompa Loompa.
But like a cute one who's like on a business meeting. No, because you have like a business outfit.
I really like my costume. I was thinking when I saw the button up that I was gonna feel really like frumpy and tacky, but it actually fits really nicely. It's actually pretty flattering. I wish the shorts were a little bit tighter, just because they're the really stretchy material, which when you get really, really stretchy material, you should always go a size down.
You're in between sizes like me because I have the same shorts. Just pick the bigger one and stay true because I'm in between medium and large. Oh, so I picked the smaller one.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So if you're not sure, just go with the smaller one, but don't like jump sizes, you know? So like me, I'm usually between a small and medium, so I should have went with small, but I was like, I need to stop kidding myself. Let's go with the medium because there's always a chance the small won't fit. They fit, they're just a little stretchy. And then these are boots that I already had. I'm not sure where they're from. I feel like it makes the outfit. It takes it from just kind of like a basic outfit to like more sexy, stylish.
Absolutely agree, yeah. And then
the little details, yeah, of course.
Yeah, the crown and the wand and fairy wings are also linked down below. They're on Amazon.
Makes it a lot more playful for sure.
And I really like the quality of the wand.
I know, I wasn't expecting like such solid.
Yeah.
Look an eye out with these.
And then the crown is kind of a little bit of a hoe to make. It has like holes in the side that you wouldn't have noticed.
So you have to pop them out yourself. They still have like the material in there and you have to like find them and pop them out.
Yeah, and then it's the same, it comes with the string that we put on and you have to cut it yourself. So I guess.
Yeah, it was like 10 feet long.
So I guess it's kind of a little bit annoying, but then at the same time, if you have a big head or a really small head, it'll work for you.
Yeah. Where are the wigs from?
This is from Amazon. Yeah, Amazon.
She picked them out, so that's why I wasn't sure.
For me, my wig is from I&H. This is the Penny wig, and I just thought it was very Wanda, but it's kind of like it's like a modern Wanda a little bit, because Wanda's like much more bright pink.
Yeah, I like the purple color.
Yeah, me too. And then the lips it's her lipstick.
Oh, I have no idea where it's from.
Just pick a color that's somewhat similar to this.
Yeah. Or just always go with the wig. So like if your wig is lighter pink, go with like whatever lipstick matches. And I thought about doing green. Yeah. I was like, I'm supposed to be a guy, so.
I also thought the same thing, and green is kind of also really intense. So.
Yeah, it is.
This crop top. I wish I went a little bit more yellow, kind of like matching the crown, but this is also linked down below, and these are the same shorts as hers.
These are actually really nice quality shorts.
These shorts I'm definitely gonna wear around
all the time.
Yeah,
they're definitely good non-costume shorts.
My thigh highs are just from, I think, Sam Edelman from forever ago. You probably can't find them, but any thigh highs will do. Now it's time for the fourth costume.
I'm so afraid just to say a hello.
We are Kim and Shego.
I think this is my favorite so far.
That looks really cute on you for sure.
These are the same pair of boots that I wore before when I had the brown ones, except they're in black. I got them both from Guess. Okay, so the pants I f***ing love.
Yeah, they're so cute.
I love like pants like this. And then if you were gonna go a little more authentic, the belt should be like brown instead of green.
Yeah.
But other than that, the shirt is like perfect, which was also from Amazon.
Yep.
And then the wig, again, if you want to go more authentic, I would definitely go with a pricier wig. But if you're going affordable, this definitely, I feel like, looks good.
Yeah.
Looks Kim for sure.
And she cut the bangs a little bit to be more...
Yeah, I trimmed them. These ones were a little crazy. It definitely works. I love it.
Awesome. I think it looks really, really cute.
Yeah.
But we're supposed to hate each other because we're enemies.
Yeah.
So I'm Shego. The makeup is crazy. I tried my best, but I'm not the best with eyeliner, and you have to use eyeliner on your lips, and you have to kind of go green. I went a little bit too intense, so do a lot less than what you think. Otherwise it'll look like a face mask. But she was like, use a beauty blender with water and that'll help out. So I felt like that was helpful. There is a tutorial that I followed online. So definitely check them out. I'll have it linked down in the description below. I got this wig, is also from Amazon. It's the same wig that I wore for Dionne. I think that's how you say her name. But yeah, it's chill. I think if you want to go more authentic, she has more voluminous hair, but this is...
same with Kim.
And then this is a jumpsuit, so it all comes together. It comes with the gloves, it comes with the little knee pocket.
Yeah.
I don't know, Shego has this. But honestly, like, the knee strap is kind of annoying for me, but I guess it is what it is. And also, this is kind of like based on height. So I'm 5'7", and I saw online people were like, oh, size down. So this one went up to 5'6", so I was like, perfect, that's size down, 5'4" to 5'6". But no, I needed to go even further down because it wrinkles a lot. I tried to stretch it out as much as I can, but if you look closely, you can see it like bunches up.
Yeah, I feel like that's always an issue with that material with jumpsuits. As far as shoes, because I know the jumpsuit has like a cloth, so if you're going out, personally I think like a pair of like knee-high or thigh-high black boots would look dope.
Yeah, because she's supposed to have one green boot and one black boot.
You could probably find that online too.
Yeah, because these you can use over your shoes, so you can just wear flats, I guess. That's what I would do, and then it looks like that. You're definitely gonna need help to go to the bathroom because it's like a turtleneck jumpsuit. So not as practical, but I still really like this like BFF look. I think it's cute.
Sure.
Super
just have
different.
a BFF that will go to the bathroom with you all night when you're drinking.
Yeah,
out
for
at
sure.
a Halloween party. Because,
yeah. So yeah, what was your favorite costume for your thing?
I want to say, I think it's gonna be this one. It would be close between this one and between Cher.
I think for me it was definitely Debbie Thornberry.
Yeah, I think that one looked the most natural on you.
Yeah, especially because it was my real hair too. So, and I think that was the same thing with Cher with you because it was your hair.
My real and fake hair. Mostly my real hair.
Yeah, but I think this one has the most wow factor. This as a couple, and the most recognizable for sure. Yeah, and each person is recognizable, not just like one.
Exactly. For sure. In a lot of partner costumes, the sidekick, like the secondary, is not usually recognizable.
Yeah.
But I feel like in this case, we could be separate.
Yeah.
And both of our costumes still make sense.
Definitely, for sure. Yay, I'm so excited. Thank you so much for joining me on my video.
Thank you for having me. Hopefully your fans don't hate me.
No, oh my god, if you guys hate, like, get out of my channel. Unsubscribe from my channel if you hate. Please don't. So that concludes our BFF Halloween costume haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below which is your favorite look. Are you gonna try any of these looks in the future? Let us know, and definitely make sure to subscribe to her channel. We're gonna have a video, both of us, on there.
Yeah, in the next month.
Yeah.
Let us know if there's any other videos you want us to do together, because it's hard to find cool people to shoot with. So
yeah,
we're both cool.
And in this video, you're gonna see Kim and Shego hug because we're We're friends. Make sure to subscribe, and you can watch some of my other Halloween videos right here. Hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye.
Bye guys.